Hey kids, today we're going to teach you how to draw a simple snowflake. We're going to use only two colors, black and the light blue. All you need to know is to draw a plus sign, but we will not connect it at the middle. After the small plus sign, we're going to draw a bigger plus sign that is tilted sideways. On the smaller plus side, we're going to draw two branches, and we're going to repeat that for all of the four sides. Then on the bigger plus sign, we're going to draw three branches at the end. And that can be repeated on the small plus sign as well. Be patient and do not try to keep up with me. This is a recording and you can pause it whenever you want to. We're going to do another pass over the contour line. That way it's going to help us and it will be way easier when we get to the drawing part. Do not get frustrated if you make mistakes. It's perfectly fine to make mistakes. It's actually even better. In order to get better at drawing, we need to make a lot of mistakes. That's how we get good at it. As you can see, I'm still making mistakes. The important thing is to be patient and not get frustrated when mistakes happen. It is a normal part of life. So let's make as many mistakes as we can. Nothing is gonna happen if we miss a line or do a crooked line once in a while. As long as we're having fun doing it, it's all good. After the contour part is done, we're going to pass to the coloring side. We're going to start from the top and make our way slowly to the bottom. If you're having trouble filling in the gaps, just try to count to color first the edges and then fill the middle. And from this point on, it's just the coloring side. So let's have fun while doing it. Your snowflake might not look like ours, but that's perfectly fine. Snowflakes have all kinds of forms, all kinds of colors. We've just selected these two to make it easy, but you can create whatever you have in your imagination. Coloring is very relaxing. We can take our time with it, nobody's rushing us. Starting to get closer to finishing our snowflake. we have a few white spots that can be corrected. This is all you need to do to draw a nice snowflake. You can even improve on the design. See you next time. Bye bye.